Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy-peasy British English. I'm Craig and today we're going to have another episode on phrasal verbs to add to the one that we had yesterday. Please give that a watch if you haven't already. So anyway, into today's lesson and we're going to learn 4 new phrasal verbs. So, Giffy, I think it's time to bring out the whiteboard. Number 1 is ask in, and it means to invite someone inside your house. Number 2 is make it, and it means to arrive. Number 3 is pick up, which means to collect. And number 4 is pop into, which means to visit for a short time. To show everybody just how common these phrasal verbs are in the English language, I'm going to use them in an example conversation. Giffy, Jane's here. Shall I ask her in the house?
Oh yeah, I'm glad she could make it.
Me too. She needs to pick up her coat. It's been here for weeks.
Get her to pop into the kitchen. I want to say hello.
Okay, I will. And there we have it, everyone. 4 phrasal verbs for you to use in everyday language. If you want to know what a phrasal verb is, please, above my head, there is a link to a previous video which tells you all about phrasal verbs, what consists of them, and how to use them. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you haven't before, please like, share, and comment on these videos. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for updates every time we upload. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, where we have pages where we post every single day. Thank you very much for watching this new video on phrasal verbs. I've been Craig, this has been Pig. And we'll see you in the next one.